Hi, I'm Mike with Acme Concrete Raising and Repair. Today we're at Wheaton North Crossing, where we're going to be raising in excess of 800 linear feet of commercial sidewalks. And this is the home of various businesses and medical offices where customers and patients are going to be actively coming and going throughout this project. We're going to be utilizing our smart lift system, which is going to enable us to maintain quick, clean, safe, and secure work environments. This is going to allow us to do this work with little to no disruption to any of these customers or businesses. Interesting thing about this project is that we came in at about half the cost of the next highest bid. Why is that? Well, we are Chicagoland's original polyurethane concrete raising and stabilization specialists. And what that means is that we have more equipment and capacity than any other concrete raising company in the area. This allows us to be super competitive and super efficient. Our smart lift system comes with a price match guarantee that promises you will never pay too much for concrete raising. Let's check out the project now.